All right, Graydon. Where are we at?
We're here in
Gambrills.
Gambrills, technically.
Yeah.
Gambrills, doing a 6-zone install. Can't remember. We had 3 of them going on this morning.
A lot of work going on.
Can't remember if this is the new install or the addition.
This is the addition. Backyard addition. 6 zones. We need like 4 rolls.
No.
Couple-ish. Why don't you just run a piece of poly pipe? How far you gotta go? Head to head? So what are you doing there? Just coming off existing head, adding head to another zone? So I figured I walked up. What you got over here, Willer? Existing zone.
Sweet.
Gotcha. Because I think that was put in the pool, wasn't it?
Huh?
Wasn't that put in the pool? Can't remember.
He said he wants some water to the grass on the flower. I move the Sprite to...
Let the overthrow. Gotcha. Makes sense.
Do you have any roller?
Yeah, I have them with me. How many do you need?
How much money you have? You got any money?
Only for,
$1,000.
only for my lunch for today.
All right. I'll trade you a sandwich for 2 rotors.
Huh?
I'm hungry. I'll trade you. Give me your...
So I'm going to buy my lunch now.
Oh, I thought you had 2 bologna sandwiches. I was going to give you 2 rotors for 2 sandwiches.
No.
This here's not very deep.
Huh? That one's for the speaker.
For who?
The speaker one.
Oh, the speaker. That makes sense. Yeah. Speaker's not going to be very deep. What else you got cooking?
Huh?
You get rotors here?
Yes.
What you got here?
I'm put another roller to try to cover that area.
Keep these wet. These is plenties.
Yes, sir.
Looking good, Benito.
Yeah, okay.
Looking good, sir. How you doing, sir?
I'm well. How are you?
Doing good. Good to meet you.
Are you
I'm Bob.
Bob? I'm CJ.
CJ?
Yes, sir.
Good to meet you.
Same here.
Beautiful day out.
It is. It is.
Got a beautiful home.
Thank you.
Enjoy your pool a lot?
We're starting to. We did this weekend. It was the first time that it was sort of warm enough.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's good to have big brothers.
No, there's no doubt about that.
You know?
Yeah, no doubt about that.
It's great being the big brother.
That too.
The young brother.
Yeah. All the way, regardless where side it is, it's good, isn't it? And big brothers love helping the young guys out, and vice versa. Well, you ready to roll?
Think so.
Okay.
Well, hey man, I appreciate you guys coming by.
Appreciate chatting with you.
Good timing. I got a call at 12:30 and
Yep.
do that. And
Appreciate you being.
I wasn't planning on swimming, but I.
You might hop out here now.
Anyway, all right. Well, look, you gentlemen have a
Yes,
good
sir.
one. Thank you.
Good to meet you.
Appreciate it. Same here.
Beautiful out here. Benito, everything good?
Yeah, it's good.
Good.
Yeah.
All right. Graydon, where we're headed next?
Back to the office.
To the office a little bit?
Yep.
And you got to go to Baltimore?
Yep.
All righty. We'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Up here in Curtis Bay. Curtis Bay. Curtis Bay. Curtis Bay. So we're going to come out right over here. We got a 1-inch PBB.
Yeah.
Chris, take you inside, show you.
Yeah, show you this. I think one guy's doing this, but I think right now it's not clear.
Yeah.
The plumber coming here,
Okay.
and they him put one outlet and they put the control box for right here too.
Okay. That'll work. We should have man's going to do this plumbing. So if he doesn't show up today, make sure we put it inside the backflow.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So I think it's a 2-inch, if I remember
No,
right.
That's 1 inch inside.
1 inch? Okay. That'll be perfect then. I thought it was 2-inch there.
No, that's 1 inch. Put one spray here for the grass. And 2 over here for the plants.
10 all the way to the corner. 2 zones.
I have 1,
2 zones over there.
3. Now this 2 more here.
Yes, sir.
4. The pinky, this 5. The white has 6, and the pinky 7.
8.
And that one 8, 9, and 10. I have 10 some.
Okay, in this turf zone, you have 1,
Yeah, I have 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
I have 6 over there.
This green's on this zone, right?
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
These 3 blue ones to the other one right there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
They have 1 more.
6.
And the
Perfect. 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 Okay, Bobby Jr. Nah, good layout. Perfect. Okay. Good work, Felix. Looks good. Guys are rocking it. Think you'd be done today? Be close.
And I put all this head here,
Yeah.
and I put that one on there too, on it.
Yeah, you can do it all if you want.
Okay.
But if you're going to get anything done, well, let me rephrase that. Whatever you get done, get that complete. Get the turf done here. And then if you didn't have something you didn't get done, it could be the bed over here.
Okay.
But if you can get everything done today, then tomorrow you could help your brother. We got a drainage job we could go knock out tomorrow.
Okay, I try to
He'll need
connect
help with
everything
that.
that.
He'll need help tomorrow.
It's not a lot of materials, but
A lot of labor.
it's only 120 feet of pipe, but there's a pump and pit, channel drain, and a lot of bricks and pavers to be moved out of the way.
So we could use you tomorrow to help your brother. You know your brother?
Yeah.
Wilbur? Yeah, Wilder, not Wilver. Wilder. Oh yeah. Got you 13 and 10. So that's why I was teasing you, because the first box is gonna be right there.
I'm using 13 over here to there, I'm using 10 over here to.
Yeah. I know. I was just giving you a hard time.
You just need the valves, right?
Yes. You know how the round boxes?
Well, you're needy this morning. What else you need?
No,
I know. I'm just giving you a hard time.
Only the machine when they put down to the truck, there's something wrong on the front tire for the go to the one side.
Yeah, I didn't notice. I just backed it up in case it was dripping anything. I don't think it is. It's not. But I just backed it up that it wouldn't be dripping on the concrete.
Something. And they put the ramp, they go to the one side.
Okay. All right. Alrighty. You ready to head to another job site? You good?
Yep.
All right. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.